everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you passionate about cybersecurity and want to gain hands-on experience in one of the world's leading aerospace company? So Airbus is hiring for cybersecurity analyst interns in Bangalore. So if you're a recent graduate or a postgraduate in cybersecurity, IT or computer science and want to work with real-world security challenges, then this opportunity is for you. Stay tuned as I break down all the details, job responsibilities, skills required, and how you can apply. So, before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel because we bring 3 plus job updates on this particular channel. And you can also turn on your notification bell so that you never miss any exciting career opportunity from us. So, let's understand a little bit about the Airbus and why one should join. So, Airbus is basically a global leader in aerospace innovations, aviation security, and cybersecurity. They are pioneers in sustainable aerospace and offer cutting edge digital solutions to protect critical systems from cyber threats. So why once you join Airbus, you'll get to work with industry leading experts in cybersecurity. You'll get hands-on experience with real world security threats. You'll also be a part of a global team that values innovations and security. So Airbus India is expanding its cybersecurity divisions, and you can be a part of the exciting journey. And let's understand a little bit about the role, like what you will be doing. So basically, it's a key responsibility that you can see on your screen. So your responsibilities will include vulnerability management. You will be identifying access and prioritize security vulnerabilities across networks and systems. You'll conduct regular security scans, document findings, and track remediation efforts. And you will also be involved into cyber threat intelligence. You will be analyzing vulnerabilities data from CVE databases and threat feeds. You will also be undergoing risk management things, like assisting the in cyber risk assessment by analyzing vulnerabilities, tracking cyber security risk metrics, and developing mitigation strategies. You will also be collecting and analyzing cybersecurity data to identify risks. You'll also be involved into general cybersecurity support, for example, assisting in team meetings, brainstorming sessions, and collaboration with different departments, working alongside experienced professionals to gain hands-on learning. So this internship offers a unique chance to work on real-world cybersecurity challenges in a global aerospace company. So, who all and can apply? Let's check the eligibility criteria. So, they have mentioned the qualification over here. Like you should be educational background should be a recent graduate or postgraduate in cybersecurity, computer science, or information security, or other related branch. And technical skills they have mentioned is that strong understanding of cybersecurity fundamentals like CIA TRAD, encryption, firewall, attack vectors, etc. You must have the basic knowledge of threat intelligence tools, vulnerability scanning, and risk management frameworks. You also have the familiarity with security protocols, penetration testing, and ethical hacking is a plus. You might have been, gone through courses of ethical hacking or cybersecurity in your college days. So if you have these skills, it is gonna be, very very helpful for you. And that it's a top company to, intern with such a company is going to be a plus point for you in your career. And they are also expecting you to have a very good problem solving and analytical thinking skill, ability to analyze complex cybersecurity data and identify the risks. And you must have the communication and collaboration skills as well, because this is very much required for any company. Excellent verbal and written communication skill, ability to work effectively in team environments and security professionals. So if you have these skill sets, don't miss this golden opportunity. Apply now. The link for the same I will be sharing in the description. And why want to join Airbus? So you'll get a world-class mentorship from industry experts in cybersecurity. Plus, you will also get the opportunity to work on cutting-edge security projects in aviation and aerospace. You'll get hands-on experience with the real-world cyber threats and vulnerability management. So, if you are serious about building a career in cybersecurity, this internship is a must. So, application link, as I mentioned, I have already given in the description. Along with that, I will also add some Telegram and WhatsApp community channel link so that you can join and get benefited from that, because we are posting 5 to 10 jobs daily out there. We also post a free certification course on one of our Telegram channel. So do join everything and let's help each other in building their career. Also, make sure to update your resume and highlight relevant skills before applying. So that's all for today's video. If this opportunity excites you, don't wait, apply today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help. So if you want more job updates, join our WhatsApp and Telegram communities for daily job alerts, interview tips, and free certification courses, like I already mentioned before. So before you go, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also share this video with your friends who might be in need of jobs. So that's it. See you in the next video.